What's up for January 2024? 3-1 or the Atlas comet has officially entered the solar system. It was only recognized just over 2 weeks ago, but it's already the most distant object we've ever seen in motion around our sun. As more news about this comet comes out, it's exciting and astronomers are going crazy for it. So let's go crazy together. Now, before we dive into the science, if you love space as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on all things astronomy. This comet, which has been dubbed 3I or Atlas by astronomers, first appeared in an image taken by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Monitoring Program, or as they call it, the Impact Monitor, which is operated by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. In that image, it looked like any other point of light. But when astronomers followed up with more observations, they realized it wasn't just any point of light. It was a comet that was rapidly approaching Earth. According to scientists from NASA, this comet is at least 7 miles or 12 kilometers wide, which makes it larger than most comets. Because of its size, astronomers think it has a good chance of breaking up before it reaches Earth. But even if it doesn't break apart, it won't be dangerous to us. Comets are made of ice and rock, and they're not solid objects. They're kind of like a big cloud. So even if this comet did hit Earth, it would burn up in our atmosphere before causing any damage. The last time something like this happened was in 1994, when Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 came within 3 million miles of Earth. Fragments of that comet lit up our night sky for months, giving us a spectacular view of what happens when a comet comes too close to our planet. And it looks like we might get another show soon. Scientists are predicting that the peak brightness of 3I will occur sometime between February and March 2024. That means we have a little over a month to prepare ourselves for what's coming. But why are astronomers so excited about this? What makes 3I so special? First, it's important to note that this isn't the first time this comet has passed Earth. In fact, it's been here many times before. The reason astronomers are so interested in it now is because of how bright it's expected to be. Comets are known for being unpredictable, but astronomers believe that 3I could reach a magnitude of 10 or even 11. For comparison, the brightest comet ever recorded had a magnitude of 18. That means 3I could be hundreds of times brighter than any other comet we've seen in the past. But there's more to this comet than just its brightness. 3. The first also holds clues to the origins of our solar system. By studying it, astronomers hope to learn more about how planets form and evolve. It's believed that comets like 3I formed in the outer reaches of our solar system, far beyond the orbit of Neptune. They contain material that hasn't changed since the early days of our solar system, making them a valuable resource for scientists trying to piece together the puzzle of planetary formation. But what does it actually mean for a comet to be a time capsule? It means that these icy rocks hold clues to the origins of our solar system, just like a message in a bottle from the past. As these comets approach the sun, they begin to release gases and dust, leaving behind a trail that can be observed with telescopes. By analyzing the composition of these trails, scientists can learn more about the building blocks of our solar system and the conditions that existed in the early days. One theory suggests that many of the molecules found in comets are similar to those found in meteorites, indicating that both objects may have originated from the same source. Another theory proposes that some comets contain organic molecules, the building blocks of life. This raises the possibility that comets could have played a role in bringing life to Earth. Although this is still just a theory, the discovery of organic molecules in comets is an exciting development in the search for extraterrestrial life. Comets are also thought to have played a major role in shaping the Earth and other planets. As they collide with planets, they leave behind fragments that can be studied to learn more about the planet's composition and evolution. For example, the impact of comets is believed to have caused the formation of Earth's craters, which can provide clues to the planet's history. One of the most famous craters on Earth is the Barringer crater in Arizona, also known as the Meteor City. It's believed that this crater was formed by a comet that hit Earth about 50,000 years ago. Studying the age and composition of the crater has helped scientists learn more about the history of our planet and the objects that have visited it in the past. In addition to their scientific value, comets are also culturally significant. They've been associated with both positive and negative events throughout human history, such as new beginnings, death, and destruction. Many cultures have their own myths and legends about comets, and they continue to capture the imagination of people around the world. This brings us back to the present day and the upcoming arrival of 3I, with its predicted peak brightness of 10 or 11. This comet is sure to be a sight to behold. But it's important to remember that while comets are fascinating and beautiful, they're also potentially dangerous. In the past, comets have caused devastating floods, droughts, and famines. For example, the flood that devastated the city of Ur in 1800 BC is believed to have been caused by a comet that struck the Euphrates River. Similarly, the drought that led to the fall of the Akkadian Empire in 2154 BC is also believed to have been triggered by a comet. However, not all comets have had a negative impact on human history. Some have been seen as a sign of good things to come, such as the comet that appeared in the year 66 AD, which some believe heralded the birth of Jesus Christ. Of course, these are just legends, and there's no real evidence to support them. But they do show how comets have captured the human imagination for centuries. Despite their potential danger, comets are still revered as celestial wonders that bring both beauty and mystery to our world. So as we prepare to welcome 3I to our night sky, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonder and awe that these objects inspire in us. Who knows what secrets they hold and what discoveries they might bring? But one thing is for sure, comets are truly one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe. And while we wait for 3I to arrive, let's take a moment to appreciate the other wonders of our solar system. From the majestic rings of Saturn to the mysterious clouds of Jupiter's moon Europa, there's always something new and exciting to discover. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, who knows what other amazing discoveries await us? Will we find signs of life on Mars? Will we uncover the secrets of Saturn's rings? Or will we discover a new comet that's even more spectacular than 3I? The possibilities are really endless. And as we venture further into the unknown, one thing is for sure, we won't be alone. There are billions of other star systems out there, each with its own planets and moons, just waiting to be discovered. And with the help of new telescopes and spacecraft, we're closer than ever to unlocking their secrets. So what are you waiting for? Join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just someone who loves to look up at the stars, there's always something new to learn and explore. So grab a telescope or just use your eyes to marvel at the wonders of our universe. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make? So what do you think about this comet? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.